Now business personnel who need to use the indicators can log into the BI platform, navigate to My Analysis, and create a new analysis subject by referencing the indicator set. After logging into BI and entering My Analysis, select New Subject and reference the indicator set analysis of goal completion that we just created. Review the selected indicators, then click OK. Next we can proceed to create components and perform the relevant analysis. We need to analyze the goal completion for each salesperson on a monthly basis. In the dimension fields we will drag in salesperson and year-month. For indicators we will add sales indicator, year-to-date sales, year-to-date sales target achievement rate, sales target achievement rate, and year-on-year monthly sales target achievement rate. Since this is a pivot table, the trailing columns can be hidden. Here we notice that some salesperson entries appear empty. This may be because the salesperson exists in our contract fact table but hasn't been added to salesperson dimension table. We can filter this out by selecting Not Null. We can simply set the format in the component style to expand and increase the pagination row count to 40. We can also configure the data value format. Format sales in units of million. Format year-to-date sales also in million. Format year-to-date sales target achievement rate as a percentage. Format sales target achievement rate as a percentage. Format year-on-year monthly sales target achievement rate as a percentage. In the left side chart type panel, we can switch chart types according to specific analysis needs. Then we will keep the display as the basic grouped table format. Then we can create a dashboard by dragging the previously made components into it for display. We can directly view indicator information by clicking on the Indicator Info button. We can see all the indicators used in this dashboard, returning to our dashboard. For any dashboard we create, we need to save the updates. Then we can directly apply for publication. The publication name can be changed to Analysis of Goal Completion. Select Dashboard as the resource. Based on your own needs, choose the publication directory and then select the platform. Fill in the remarks. Click OK. After the publication request is approved, we can directly view the dashboard in the directory. This is the dashboard we just created. Similarly, we can also directly view the indicator information. Now let us review the process we just followed. First, create a new analysis subject. Then add indicators set data. Next, create components and dashboards for data analysis. Within the dashboard interface, we can directly view indicator information. Then proceed to publish the dashboard. Once published, we can directly view the dashboard and the indicator information used in the data directory. This completes the full usage path for indicators. Thank you for watching.